So when I last talked about this stock in the month of January, since then it has up by 50%. So I would say it's a superb gain in the past 2 weeks. But this is not we are actually looking at. We are looking at big trends. So the thing here to understand is if the stock moves before the time, then it is probably better to take your profit. So let's say if you have thought that you purchased, let's say at $5, and you are expecting $10 in a month, and if it happens in 2 days, then it would be better to take profits rather than become more greedy. So that's the logic behind that. But anyhow, the trend which we are going to discuss here is for the long term. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about staffing 360 solutions, and please check out my previous video which I have made in the month of January, so that you can get a sense and flavor about the trend. Now, because we are looking at a long term chart, you may not feel the rise is big enough as per the representation of the chart. But if you change it to the short term, you will probably can see and feel it. Now, on the upside, so first of all, what you need to do here is this one. So this level, and you have two or three consecutive levels, and they are important. And the second most thing important thing is that they are close enough with each other. So it's important to discuss all of that. So first, this one 9.96. So this will be your final stop loss, and if the stock falls below 0.96, then there is no need to carry any further trend on the downside. Now you have 1.19 as your immediate support, and on the upside you'll have your first target or resistance, that is 1.47. So the opportunity only comes if the stock successfully managed to cross and sustain above 1.47. If it happens, then the target that we are looking at for the time being will be this one. Okay, so what we have here is 3.42, and moreover, if you want to stretch it, you can actually stretch this target to this level, but these are individual levels. Okay, so let me explain, um, so that if you get confused, it will be clear for you. First, you have your immediate support at 1.19, and second, you have your last support or stop loss at 0.96. So the stock must not fall below 0.96, and to have any further rally, the stock must uphold 1.19. If it does, as it is right now, then we are going to look for our next target, which is 1.447, or let's say $1.50. If and if only the stock makes a breakout and sustain above $1.50, then the big target that we are going to look at will be 3.42. Okay, and once the stock sustain above 3.42 or 3.45, then only we will go for 5.65. So it is not like it will not come, but we don't want to take any additional risk, so we have to play within the limitation. Also, as you can see, these sharp spikes and the stock again started falling down, which means there is a volatility which is also very vital in this particular chart. So you must have your strategy before you're taking the trade, and you must have your exit point as soon as you enter. If you want to change it on daily basis, you have to do it, otherwise you will be in a problem. So that's the thing you need to understand here, and it will take a bit long time, but looking at the kind of volatility you have to be a bit or extra cautious on this. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts on the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.